Hi guys, this is Miss J. I am with my nephew, Gunnar, right there.
Hi.
And he and I are going to do a science experiment for you guys. Right over here we have vinegar, water, and baking soda. I have right here 3 teaspoons, which look like this. 3 teaspoons of baking soda in the tissue. First, Gunnar is going to take half a cup of vinegar and put it in a baggie. Then he'll take 1/4 of a cup of water and put it in the baggie with this. Then he's going to roll up this tissue with baking soda and he'll put it in the bag too. Let's get started. Okay, so I have my sandwich baggie here, and Gunnar has a half a cup of vinegar and he's gonna put it in the bag. Now he's going to take 1/4 cup of water, warm water. It needs to be warm water. And he's going to put it in the bag. Now can you take that tissue and roll it up?
Yes.
And make sure the baking soda doesn't come out? Yep.
Roll it up like this.
That works right there? Yeah, good job.
Good job.
Then go ahead and put it in there. Okay, now we got to close it. All right, shake it up a little bit. Now put it on the table. Okay, watch it out. Oh! Oh no!
Oh my gosh.
And there you have it, an exploding lunch. Alright, so I got my bag, and he has a half a cup of vinegar, and he's going to put it in the bag. 1/4 cup of warm water. Okay, and then he's going to take the tissue right over here with baking soda. You need 3 teaspoons of baking soda. And he's going to roll it up. Then he's going to place it in the bag. And I'm going to close it. He's going to shake it a little bit. And now you'll see the bag is starting to expand from the baking soda and vinegar reaction. This one takes a while longer. Might be the type of bag. Maybe we didn't have enough vinegar. Oh, there it goes. We needed to shake it up a little more.
Oh.
Alright, so now that you saw us do the exploding bag experiment, we did it a couple times because the first time it exploded a lot faster, and then the second time it was a little different too. You'll notice that with 2 different types of bags, some of them explode faster, and then some of them take a little bit longer to explode. But just give it a little shake and it'll explode. I hope you guys have fun with it. Thanks for watching.